Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image several years ago. Well, models from one of the best model agency in Okinawa. I shot it in my studio in dark background. Lighting is LED. This is my subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used the filter called Find Edges as always. And well, let's get started. I'm going to change this blend mode normal to this time. I want some kind of light image, not this low-key photo, to make something like illustration type image. See this shadow colors. That's pretty interesting. Look at this interesting color. Digital image has so much information. Well, luminosity. Actually, I used this luminosity effect last time with the same shooting, different pose. Well, I'm gonna use this again, and let me see, change different expression to make some illustration. Okay, select both two and make group, then duplicate these layers, then flatten this image. Now we fix this image, then colors pretty thin, so I'm gonna make duplicate one on the top, blend mode change to multiply. Darker lines a little bit lighter than linear bar, even though colors were pretty dark. Yeah, multiply. Then I'm gonna merge down. Okay, rename. Well, I changed all the names, and let's see. This luminosity effect layer, just turn it off to keep it. Then I want to check pencil drawing type. Change blend mode to overlay. Well, we have so much information in background, so I should have this too. Yeah, let's see. Make this, then let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this group, then flatten the image of this group. Now this is now original. I'm gonna change overlay. Okay, then pencil drawing type image, I'm gonna change back to normal. Alright, and then I'm gonna break this group, move up, then delete this group, turn it off, this pencil drawing type image and original. I don't know. Well, I wanna see change blend mode, so I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image all the way up, then turn it off to keep it. Now I want to see overlay effect layer. Turn on this original image too. Then change blend mode of this overlay effect layer. It's normal now. Now what I want to see is so much information of the background, how it's going to turn out. If I change this, I don't know if you guys can see this different colors, more information. I'm gonna leave it just color dodge on this overlay effect layer. Okay, now turn it off. Then this luminosity effect layer, turn it on. Well, this is interesting. Illustration type image. Well, let's see. Change pencil drawing type image. Pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to divide. Lighten up this grains. That's a nice effect, huh? Okay, let me see. Turn it off this. Let's see about this original image. And now, first of all, divide luminosity effect. If I change this. Yeah, this is nice. Nice colors. Okay, I wanna use this image as a base. Pretty interesting. Okay, I want to fix this pencil drawing type image. Divide with luminosity effect layer. Okay, I'm gonna make group, then duplicate this group. Now flatten this image. Now this is this group's image, just fixed, right? So I'm going to duplicate this layer, then one on the top, change to color burn, so we get this image, right? Now I'm gonna march down. Okay, just rename. This is divide effect layer on luminosity effect layer. Nice colors as a base. Okay. Overlay effect 50%. I'm looking for this overlay effect layer background. How can I get that colors from here? Okay, let me see. Make group. Then duplicate this group. Now flatten this image. Change name. Overlay 50% effect layer. Then I'm gonna move, turn it off this group. Then I'm gonna move this overlay 50% effect layer. Go all the way over this divide effect. Base image, turn on. Then change this overlay 50 effect. Lighter color. Lighten. Lighting is a little bit more warm tone. So I'm gonna keep this one as a lighten. This is nice for her face. So I'm gonna march down. Alright, this is a divide luminosity effect, just base image. Yeah, we got the base image now. Alright, we're gonna use this luminosity effect layer. No more. We got this base image already, a little bit darker than this luminosity effect layer. So I'm gonna delete this. Then move this pencil drawing type image, go move up. Then break this group, just delete. So just look at base image. Now this is gonna be the base image. So I'm gonna move this one down. Then turn it off, this group. Now, from here. Well, I want to see her face nicely. Just the original image I'm going to duplicate. Then move this one out of group, just over the base image. Now, I want to see her face of this original image. I'm gonna check curves. Let's see, gamma, lighten up, red, go up, highlight side, shadow side, just go down, then blue down to get more yellow, just a touch. Maybe only for shadow side, and highlight side, get just a touch bluer. Not bluer, less yellow. Same thing, touch reddish. Nice skin tone, is it? Well, done. Before, after. Yeah, maybe skin tone's nice. Now I'm gonna make mask. Then invert mask. Then reveal this mask with, well, let's see, just checking, sketching to Bonobo chalk. Maybe as an illustration I need more texture, sharper edge, so I'm going to use drawing to evolve, like a sketching of the pencil texture. Maybe I can use sketching to maybe Procreate pencil or 6B. Just like as if drawing with pencil. I don't know. Easy for me to use evolve. This is nice. Yeah, let's see. Okay, now I want to add one more layer for white layer with mask. Now filling with white. Then make mask with same evolve. Okay, now I want to go a little details. Now go for this shadow area. I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image, go up, change blend mode to just darken. Well, just leave it normal, turn it off. Now I want to see this dark shadows, turn it off, this white layer, and then overlay effect. This one is so much dark. Okay, let me look for, let's see. We see just a touch more detail on shadow side. So maybe this is nice to use. Overlay effect layer change to add. Shows a little bit, maybe max, we see the details on shadow side. So, okay, as a shadow detail. Okay, I want to add shadow detail. So I'm gonna make group. This is a new group about the shadow detail. Okay, duplicate this layer. Then flatten this image. This is for shadow detail. Rename. Then I want this shadow detail to be more, I want to change the colors. So curves again, gamma, lighten up this shadow area. Then give it blur. A little bit reduce red. I'm making the color I like greener. Looking at this jeans shadow area. Now okay, changed so much colors. Then I'm gonna make mask, invert mask. It's not showing much yet. Okay, I'm gonna turn off this group. Then I'm gonna reveal soft brush, medium airbrush. This image, right? So I'm gonna use curves again, much more gamma. Go up. Color is pretty nice, okay, but give it just more red, so goes closer to this part of the jeans, maybe about this much, pretty much. Okay. Done. Then now reveal this again. You know what I'm doing. Just blend in some. We can touch up later on the floor too. Okay. Now turn on this white layer mask. Okay, we see much. Then again mask this white layer with bonobo chalk. This is only for this much, and okay, I want to add color too, but now concentrate to make this white layer mask. How much where to show? Okay, now I gotta find out how much I'm gonna show up. This is for her face. I toned down just from here max to 60%, a little bit lighten up. Okay, review this. Well, now to darken this image, turn it on, this pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to color burn. Go touch darker. Well, just turn it off. Now let's see. Let me see this white mask layer. Well, I don't know about this image. Not much. Let me turn it off, this white layer, and also this light image. This is the base image, original, 60%. Darker color. It's not much interesting. What do you think? I want to make more nice illustration type image. The original image is much better now. Now I had this face that's 70% from original image. Then maybe this is shadow detail max with mask. Okay, let's see. Reveal this mask. Let me use Bonobo chalk. Okay, that's about it from this shadow detail. Lighten up some. Yeah. Okay. Then let's see. This is the face. Only face, huh? Okay. Now some kind of interesting effect. Overall image. Let's see from shadow detail. Then this is white. Last thing. White layer mask. Well, do I need white layer mask? Maybe white border or something like that. Yeah, I guess this border is gonna be clear this. Then I think I'm gonna just make edge surrounding with Bonobo chalk outside. Not quite. Well, so far I got this base image. Over this base image, just add some face, model's face from original, and this is shadow detail. Jeans detail come from this layer, and white border from this layer. White border. Yeah. Just lighten up some overall image, huh? It's not much. Well, that's all about it for today. I need to think about something more impressive image from the original. Original is pretty nice. Well, I'm gonna try again. But I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I try to make something more impressive image from this base image. I think I kind of like this base image. Pretty interesting. Yeah. I want to add somehow. Well, this time I add shadow side from the different effect. It's pretty much really complicated this time, and I didn't get satisfied the result. But yeah, challenge next time. Thank you again, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Next time. Try again. Yep.